Welcome to Frogprint's New Moon Blooms subscription services. Thank you so much for subscribing. We're so delighted. I want you to know that every subscription bouquet that leaves our premises, €1 is donated to Irish Women's Aid, supporting our local community. And every single bouquet that leaves here has Irish grown foliage, which is really important to support the generations of growers that have been working Irish soil for such a long time. In your box each week you'll receive a different selection of blooms. The blooms are bought direct from the growers in Holland, and we have such a gorgeous collection for you. Your box comes, beautiful bouquet. Just untie your ribbon, take out your little leaflet, which your card will show you how to make or how to arrange your bouquet, and then I'm going to lift out your bouquet of flowers. Your bouquet this week is Gladioli, such a gorgeous, gorgeous flower, and very underestimated, and they bloom into big long stems of glorious blooms. So you've not just one bloom, multiple blooms. Your Gladioli, what I like to do is to separate the flowers. From my foliage. So we're going to separate our flowers beautifully. Our gladioli there and our foliage here. Your vase is really important on how you display your flowers. This is the perfect vase. We spent ages trying to find it. So it gives you, it's a nice height. You have it's not too wide, not too narrow, and a perfect little neck means that your flowers can spray outwards. Make sure you pop in your florist food. This bag is compostable, so it can go straight into the compost, and there's 2 sachets in each box. I would recommend changing your water every 2 to 3 days. So we'd take off, I would take your beautiful foliage, and remember, anything below the waterline really needs the foliage removed, so the leaves need to be removed. So I would take this guy, pop him down, and keep your stems quite long because the gladioli are quite a long stemmed flower. Good sharp cut at a 45-degree angle so that your foliage can drink. And this will be thirsty arriving. Your foliage has been dry packed. So it does need a good drink and a little bit of time to rehydrate and open and bloom over the next week. We have our lovely vase of foliage, really gorgeous, and we are going to make sure you have a nice sharp scissors, a garden secateurs, or any really sharp scissors is great. Your gladioli come, they're all in bud, closed, and you give them a good cut, and I pop them in here. Taking off any leaves that you don't need. And this is a 3-4-day-old arrangement. As you can see, all the blooms have started to really pop. You can see all of those gorgeous colour coming through. So don't forget to come follow us on newmoonblooms.ie and tag us in show off your beautiful creations. We have some great competitions going, and enjoy your flowers. Thank you.